So can you guess what this Framer feature is about?
This year, we've been steadily improving the design experience in Framer. On September 16th, we're making room for your biggest ideas. On 16th. So, okay. So there's lots of, oh, I don't know. They're button. They look like the buttons, which, by the way, I'm still waiting on my Framer.
Work louder.
Yeah, yeah. It looks like a bunch of like cards with a different effect on them, with different textures on them. So this one looks like smooth plastic. This one's like a bit like Alcantara. Um, you know, yeah, I don't know. What do you see? Like there's stitching there or something. There's a lot of textures and effects and things like that. So maybe is it 3D? Is it the fact that it's 3D? I don't know.
Well,
I
no,
don't
they
know.
they show everything in 3D. By the way, this is like how
This is
this is
nothing
how
new.
yeah how they do it, and they do hype things. They are
Mm.
really good at hyping. That's
Ask
why
the
I
comments. What do the comments think? What does
so
Twitter
so
think?
people are thinking this will be like design related,
Yeah.
not like development related, more like Figma killer feature.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like to me, it looks like it could be some effects like textures, as you
Mm-hmm.
mentioned. So
Mm-hmm.
you could add textures to elements in a native way, which would be really nice because I believe Figma has this. With Figma, you can add some noise and textures. Maybe this is that, but
Bobcat
um,
Jam says I heard 3D.
yeah, but like 3D and I don't know, like what type of if it's 3D, why they decided to show it this way? It's like layers of materials.
They're trying to like. There's one that's just always outshining the rest. Like, oof, there's glare there.
Yeah, but the 3D looks really good, by the way. Like they are really good at creating these assets.
Looks real, doesn't it? Looks real,
Yeah.
and with the depth of
So
field.
what is interesting that they just announced this to be on the 16th, and what do we have next day is Webflow Conf. So they tried to get
Mm.
ahead of Webflow and steal which is understandable.
That's a
I have,
different image
as I said
altogether.
in the past, yeah, I have a few issues with Framer and how they market themselves, but I actually hope that this will be something like not just hyped, something meaningful and big and beautiful, and it
It's
is
a good
nice.
good platform. It is. I do like Framer.
Yeah.
Um,
So
good for like designers who are learning designers and who want to get into the web stuff. The barrier to entry is so friggin' low that
and I yeah, and if I were Framer, because as a Webflow developer, I used to think like to feel like okay, Framer is coming at Webflow, and they were, I believe. But if I were Framer, why would I go at why would I go after Webflow when I could go after Figma? It makes
mm,
no sense to go after Webflow. Webflow is like
mm,
a developer tool for people who
mm,
want to go towards like more professional and crazy
mm,
type of like systematic websites and bigger sites for corporates and things like this, or even award-winning websites, while Framer could be the platform for designers who would build their portfolios and start from there, but built into businesses and even corporates, but starting with designers and starting from design, starting from the first step essentially, which is designing in a canvas and then publishing it. So it
mm,
makes sense for Framer to pivot towards design related things, because Figma dropped the ball a little bit there. Designers are not extremely happy with Figma, and
mm.
Framer could actually
Let
do
us know
something.
what I
Yeah.
was thinking the other day as well. Like, let us know out there. You using Figma sites? You know, where's Figma sites at? It's just kind of like, and everything they announced this year. I just don't get me wrong. I'm not like deep in the community to know, but like, yeah, I got a comment on one of my videos this morning. Someone's like, I don't understand what I'm using Figma sites for. Oh no, it wasn't Figma sites. It was Figma Make, but the same thing. It's like, are people even using all of this stuff? I don't know. Not my world. It's genuine. It's a genuine question. I'd like to know the answer to. The last thing I'll say about this Framer stuff is so you can explore without limits. And I wonder if this is a CMS thing, because I know their CMS is quite limited. Maybe it's a collections thing, or
Okay.
maybe it's like e-commerce or something like that. Don't know. Don't know.
It could be that, actually. It could be. There are like some e-commerce integrations.
Explore
Their
without
CMS is
limits.
indeed a bit limited, but
Mm,
a few people in the comments mentioned that this limitation thing is what they are mentioning is more about the canvas. So
mm.
they have a free form canvas, but it's not a true free form because you can't have multiple pages. It's not the same way as Figma. It is a different type of like free form canvas. So
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.